And here they are.
The Brick Twins! We're back to the Brick Twins, and today we're coming to you live with a double feature. So these are two of the Lego City boxcar sets that came out January 4th, and I like it how they're going with something different. The boxcar that came out with 3 sets of ramp with 2 boxcars, and then these packs that come with 2 boxcars each. It would be pretty cool if they kept coming out with these. I want to see how it is when we build them. Thank you so much, Strictly Brickley, for sending these to us. We are very, very thankful. And there's a minifig right there. Yeah, really cool. I've always liked the minifig face on that for some reason. But either way, these sets are epic, and I really think if we would get the ramp one day, all 3 of these sets would go together just perfectly. Both sets come with 70 pieces, so they're pretty much identical. And this one is 60458, this Pizza vs. Fire Truck boxcars. And then this one's 60459, the Airplane vs. Hospital Bed boxcar. Let's go. They both look pretty detailed. This one has the pizza and the fire truck. That's really good. So this one here comes with 2 instruction booklets. And 2 bags, one being for the pizza boxcar and one for the fire truck boxcar. This one, again, is pretty much the same thing. 2 bags, and then it also has 2 instruction booklets. But the thing I just noticed about these sets, they have 0 stickers. That's an up. That's a great thing about these. Let's get this. Just finished the boxcar here, and these were really fun builds. Again, thank you Strictly Brickley for getting these for us. So we have 4 here, and we're gonna review them. The first one here is the pizza boxcar. Epic. This we could really put this in a city, promote city pizza, because it's epic. So it has a flag in the back, the whole pizza slice with the crust and the cheese, and then the minifig is like a pizza chef, but he can also wear a helmet and his normal chef hat. And then he also has a pizza box, and they're using these really cool wheels. They're like, they kind of have a good traction. They're like enlarged. I'm not too sure. They're pretty cool though. And the base of them is the same. They're like have 2x2 blocks, and then they have the airplane with the wheels in. So it looks pretty good. And that airplane is flying around the track. Yeah, that's the next one we're gonna review here is the airplane, which is minifigs. The minifig in these sets are actually super cool. This is the Pilot minifigure, just a basic generic minifigure, but you could really place these in places. And then right here is the airplane, probably the most basic one out of all of them, but it still has a good amount of detail at some of the color tones. It's like a car. Yeah, it does. And then the next one here is probably the best one in this pack, or any of the packs. Maybe the toilet one and the ramp. I want to get that one day for sure, but it's the hospital bed. They come with this minifig looks like he just got himself in a car wreck, and he's holding a helmet. He probably got himself in a car wreck from this, and he just found a hospital bed. Then the hospital bed outlining on each side, and then there's some medical equipment and just some signage in general. And this is a very detailed one. The final one we have here is the fire truck one. We can even put this one in the fire station. And it uses those same wheels. It has 2 2x4 tiles on each side that have the fire logo, but it's different. That has like dripping oil from the fire logo and some bits of dust. And then in front, it has like what a windshield would be, the light, and then the minifigure is just a normal generic fire minifigure with a walkie-talkie. And then of course, you don't even need hair or helmet or a normal hat for this one because it's already pretty much a helmet to fire. And then of course the ladder's in the back and uses the same base and tires. Yeah, these are just like mini scaled down versions of some ridiculous things like a hospital bed. And then in the ramp set, the third incarnation boxcar set, I guess, it has a toilet seat and a guy, like a janitor. It's really ridiculous. But like I said, you went pretty mad this year with their weight. And some of the sets actually turned out to be really good, like these boxcars. Definitely. These are really fun builds. And that really wants me to make that to get that ramp one day, but who knows where they're even gonna go. We could make it in a city or anywhere, but like a special celebration, come see Boxcar Weekend. We can do like a tournament. It's like a
track.
Yeah,
around
but the only
the-
bad part is that if we put it in the downtown, it would crash into all the buildings.
Well, we do it outside the downtown. Yeah, me and him are just having a conversation now. And make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And thank you guys so much for watching today's episode
On the Brick Twins.